And how do you manage the flow? There are various steps, or you can say there are various ways in which you can actually manage the flow. The first one is you visualize the work and the flow of the work. The second is you look at the WIP limit, your WIP limits, to achieve how can you achieve the maximum throughput. And then you identify the bottlenecks and try to resolve them, and then you repeat so that you can continuously improve. So there is never a stage when you will see my flow is optimized. So every time you can find one or the other aspects of the flow which are not actually working or which are generating more waste. You should always look at your flow and try to optimize your flow. So let's look at what does visualize mean. How will you visualize the work and the flow of work, and how does it actually help you to manage the flow?